family ng Ramos na nanonood ngayon, especially Mr. or Miss Jemo Ramos. Okay. Naririnig ka sa labas.
Kaya pala narinig sa labas.
Okay.
Pero sakto-sakto kasi, ayan si The
Raymar,
Black Arrow ang...
Sino? Raymar tuloy. Si Ryan Mark
Si Raymar.
Hidalgo.
Oo, ayun pa si Jolo.
So ngayon, for pillars, it's Raymar
Ay!
Kamomo.
Uy!
Muntikan na. So 5 to the 6. Walang problema.
Natatarget, you want to target that object ball directly towards the bucket. But sometimes, players like these pros who are playing, they actually target near the rail. Why?
Near the rail, what
Oo.
do you mean? Papanong...
Kasi that cheat in the pocket option.
cheat in the pocket. Lumalabas naman yun kung sakaling kinakailangan nila ng extra movement ng cue ball. Kaya minsan, nag-cheat sila to the left or to the right. Depende na lang kung anong angle.
Similar to what happened to the Purple 4 Nakakala natin sobrang nipis, di ba?
Yes.
It's just really about the spin of that ball. And talking about object balls, it's another cleanup job